The original default setting for admin code is 8 zeros, 0000000, totally 8 zeros. And the default user code is 4 ones. And here we're showing you typing 80 in green button, then the green light lit, then the lock retracts. And the default code for the user is 4 ones, 1111. And remember, when you enter the admin code, it will erase the custom user code. Now here is how you would change codes for administrator as well as for users. The default administrator code is for 8 number zeros, so 00000000. The reset start with pushing the green button. You want to hold that green button until the green light blinks. Now it's going to call for the default code 8 zeros. Once you put in that 8 zeros, you can start set the new code. And we recommend you use 8 digits. For example, we just set 8 ones. Now you see these 8 ones is operating. We recommend you use 8 digits for the administrator. You can use any digits from 2 to 12 digits, but 8 digits seems to be most appropriate for the administrator. Now the default user code is 4 ones, 1111. As you see, that's operating. And the way to reset the user code is to repeatedly click the green button, and then the green light would blink. That's when you would set new code. You will enter the old code 4 ones first, and then you set a new code. For example, we just set 46, and we're going to try 46. Now we entered wrong. We can't. If you entered wrong, push the cancel button, and then re-enter. You enter 46, you should see the locker opens. If you have any questions, let us know. Our email is cs, that's Charlie Sam, at fixturedisplays.com. fixturedisplays.com. Thank you for shopping fixturedisplays.com. And if the user code is forgotten, you can always using the admin code to unlock and then reset. As you do so, it will erase the custom user code. Let's assume now the user forgot his code and the administrator is accessing the lock using the admin code, that is 8 zeros. And you will access the locker. Now the custom user code is totally erased. However, this will set the user default code back to 4 ones, 1111. At this point, if this user continues to use the locker, he will need a new custom code, or he can use the 4 ones for the time being. And remember, as you access the locker through the admin code, it will erase the custom code. Now, here's the start point of how you would assemble and install the lock. The batteries, during assembly, you want to take them out. Again, battery is not supplied. You want to install without a battery to begin with, so you can access the mounting holes. The pad has the controlling elements and the circuitry. There is a cable connecting these two. The cable fitting is directional, that is foolproof. However, you want to use moderate amount of force. You don't force into it to break the plastic parts. Now you want to start by installing the pad, the keypad first, but before you do that, you want to connect the cable through that hole. So the cable have a certain length, allow you just enough to mount the 4 screws onto the 4 corners of the control pad, the back side of it, of course. Thank you for buying this locker from Fixture Displays. This shows you how the housing is installed toward the back of the door. The cable is going through that hole, and you want to observe 3 holes to screw on. And here are the 3 screws. Now, after putting the backside housing on, you want to install the batteries. The battery is not supplied for safety reasons and shipping regulations. You will want to supply your own battery. And once you install, there starts to be a sound from the circuit indicating battery is on. And as you press any button, there will be a sound, and that will give you the assurance that the battery is operating. As you put in your user code, the default one, 4 ones, it will open. If you put in wrong code, press cancel the red button, that will let you restart. Battery low indication appears after you put in either user or admin code and the door opens. The red light would beep 4 times, and this is the time you have to change the battery. Otherwise, in the future use, it could be a few days, could be a week, but you would not be able to access the lock after the battery dies. So change as soon as the red light is blinking.